My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Yesterday, Yeezy 700s restocked on Shopify and I managed to get a single pair. Speaking of Yeezy 700s, these came in the mail today. A few days ago, I was able to cop some Kobe's and Jordan 1 UNCs from a couple of Shock restocks. Get some shoes in the mail today. Pair of silver toes size 6.5 W. And we have 2 orange pearl dunks. Tomorrow, we do have a Yeezy 350 release. That flew. Didn't want these anyway. We've got Foam Runners and we have Yeezy 700s. 2 extremely important releases. Am I gonna get my together before that day comes? We're gonna find out on the next episode.
Just you need some gas on.
Over the last few days, I've been able to get some checkouts from some Shock restocks, including 3 Jordan 1 UNCs. One of them got canceled, the other 2 got shipped out. Pretty happy about that. And a Dunk Orange Pearl. Today we do have an important release. We have Yeezy 700 V3s. I actually love this shoe. And to be honest, if I manage to get my size, then I'm probably going to end up keeping it as a personal. The first drop that I'm going to be going for is on Shopify at 8 o'clock. We got 9 minutes left before the drop. I really hope we do well because I need a bunch of these. My Cyber's frozen, dude. What the heck happened, bro? What the heck? I got one and my bot is frozen. I wish my bot wasn't frozen. How did I manage to check out 2 minutes after the drop? Oh, what's happening? Oh my god, I got one. Ganesh! Another one. Oh my god, yes, bro. Let's go. Another one? Bro, I'm about to get my zip code banned again. Boat. Oh, I missed the boat. Got one. Why am I so bad at captures, bro? Like, two. Alright, that is about it for the Yeezy 700 V3s. My goodness, that was a cookout. I'm pretty happy about that, and it makes me confident that tomorrow's release hopefully will end up being the same. Probably won't end up with this many checkouts, but I just really hope I don't flop. You know what I mean? But first up, in about an hour, Supreme is going to be releasing their TNF collaboration. I'm not set up at all right now, and I'm probably just gonna have a really light setup just because I don't really care that much about these. We'll see what I end up getting. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Bro, what is happening? 5? It's a cookout, bro. What is the stock on this thing? Got a few shoes that came in the mail today. The first ones are these Kobe's. Not gonna lie, I thought these were quite underwhelming in the pictures, but in person, man, this shoe really is a work of art. I feel like that's what my experience is with all the Kobe's that I've bought so far, is that in person, they are absolutely gorgeous. And we also have 2 UNCs that came in the mail today. These are from some foot site restocks. I'm still waiting on more. Yesterday's Yeezy supply release went fantastic, but today is really the day where it counts, because today's Yeezy release is even more important than yesterday's. Profit margins on these foam runners are going to be absolutely crazy, so I really hope that everything goes smoothly. What? I put heartbreaks instead of heartbreak. I'm an idiot, man. Come on. Dude, I passed splash on so many, but I have no idea what's going on. Not hitting anything yet. Okay, pass splash. Question is, are you going to check out 2 pass splash? Come on, let me get something, man. Oh, I actually carded a lot of them. Dude, I have like 7 carded, bro. But I didn't cop a single thing yet. Whoa, what the hell? Yo, I hit a W on the confirmed app. Why? That's crazy, thank you. Bad profile details. What? Bad profile details? How, bro, you were working yesterday. Oh shit, dude, does that say it for every task? Is that why I can't check out? Yup, got bad profile details. I did not change anything with my setup, really, other than the SKU. And I'm getting bad profile details. I'm guessing this has something to do with my address, because nothing is able to check out. And that's really the main consistent thing amongst all the bots that I'm running, is they all have the same zip code, right? Bro, oh my god, don't tell me I'm banned again. Don't tell me I'm banned again on Yeezy supply, bro. I literally just moved. I should have at least a few. Look, 6 carded here, 2 carded here, 1 carded here, 4 carded. I think at least half of these carded should be checkouts. I was joking about it last release. I actually can't believe they did it, man. I'm actually zip code banned on Yeezy supply. I would have had so many based on how many carts I got. Man, especially considering the bots I was running, these are the best bots for Yeezy supply. So the last chance to get these is on Shopify. And I predict that there's not going to be too much stock on there, but it doesn't hurt to try. What is today's date? Okay, 03. I'm so slow. 26. 21. What? Why? It's a miracle. That's an airplane, not a boat. Oh my god. No way, bro. Oh my god, I got another one. Another one? You've got to be kidding me. I'm on fire right now on Shopify. All of my kit orders got canceled, man. Feels bad. But anyways, we're gonna wrap up the foam runner release with a total of 4 checkouts with 3 cancels. Yeah, not much I could do about that, I guess. Alright, the drops today were very messy, but the good news is that we did get a bunch of the Yeezy 700 V3s in. Crazy fast shipping. It's basically even faster than Amazon. I literally just bought these yesterday and now they're in. Let's have a look at how they look in hand. Honestly, these look super sick. However, I wish that this was white. It's kind of more like an off-whitish color, but I guess that was the aesthetic that they were looking for to sort of differentiate it more from the Arzarettes. Speaking of Arzarettes, I probably like those better than these, but nevertheless, in my opinion, these shoes are absolutely gorgeous. Now the question, am I gonna keep this as a personal? I'm leaning more towards no, but I haven't really made up my mind. I'm not 100% sold on these. Maybe I'll try it on for the picture on Instagram, and then if I fall in love with them, then staying on my feet. Anyways, thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you guys on the next episode.